because she forgot. She told me to.
So they're saying this is the medicine for diabetic.
Hi there! Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, Arenika Happy Spiritus.
I'm going to be a small girl, small daughter, and my mom is going to comb my hair. Yes? What Granny will do to mommy? The warkoczyki. Will you record me?
Yeah.
I love listening to their conversations when Granny is fighting with Grandma. I mean, when my mom is fighting with her mom, with my grandma.
That was just so being a boy.
So, how do you like my hairstyle?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
I look like a small girl, huh?
I also.
Also? So, how old are you, Lamelia?
Good.
What good? How old are you? 3 years
Three.
old. 3. And mommy, how old?
Mommy old is mommy old Jason.
What?
Mommy old Jason.
10? 10?
Yes.
Okay, so I look like 10 years old girl. So I don't know, it's really smelly in the car. Lamelia got poo somewhere. Where did you get the poo? Why are your feet smelly? You stepped on the doggy poop? Okay, so Lamelia admitted. Okay, so I'm taking my mom and granny to the traditional market. Tutaj mięso. Tutaj są ryby. Ada pinang?
Pinang.
Yang ini ya? Berapa?
Ini
Uh-huh.
8.001.
8.001.
Wah, ini langsung namanya.
Tempe berapa, Bu? 5.000. Satu 5 juga ya? O, a tu jest tape.
Co to jest?
Untuk sekarang, tape untuk sekarang berapa satu? Hmm? 12. Tam są jeszcze takie większe. Tak, yang ini berapa?
Mniejsze.
Yang ini?
Ini
Ya,
Tylko, że jakieś
30.
30. Okay. Crossing the road. So challenging. Jeść, to zostaw, jemy tapy.
Tak to restauranu.
Dobre? Powoli, tylko żeby z tego nie. So now we are going to the pharmacy so that they can check their weight because they feel like they lost their weight and they want to check it. What is it called?
P3K.
Pegaka?
P3K. P3K.
What?
P3K.
3?
Yes.
3?
Yes.
Petigaka.
K.
Petigaka? Here we have the scale. So, poczekaj, babcia najpierw. Ej! Thank you for rain. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Co to jest za owoc?
So we just came here to visit one old lady that we met 4 years ago, and it seems like they're making sugar over there. So I want to check it out, how they make it. Om Swastiastu! Swastiastu! So they're making sugar? Bikin gula?
Gula merah.
Gula merah?
Gula jatuh kan iki?
Halo. Gula aren?
Gula aren baru akan matang.
Rebus.
Direbus.
Ya.
Kalau kayak aspal. Air. Hampir.
Tapi rebus apa? Yang
Jaką to jest właśnie?
Aji bisa bantu?
Bisa bantu?
What part of the palm do they boil?
Stop the water that pakai they use.
It's the water
Yes,
from the
from
palm.
Yeah, like what? But they boil it and
Tuak.
Ah.
what? Tahu yang tangan aku pakai. Batu makan.
Ciri matang. Udah
Do
matang.
zimnej wody.
Uda? O, uda. O, zobacz jakie twarde.
Aha.
So it's almost ready. It will just...
long.
Z tych brył co?
Udang belum yang lap-lap.
Muszą to jakoś?
Half day, but I mean whole day. From the morning till evening.
Ile się wyparowało?
Untuk satu panci berapa?
Dua panci, dua pukul, dua panci dapat segini.
Bułkarku?
Jadi segini.
From 2
Yeah.
pots, he gets this one what he got. So from 2 pots, he can get like 1/3.
Air
More or less.
60 liter. 60 liter.
60 liter. Dan nanti ini jual ya?
Iya.
So this is sugar, gula merah,
Nah, gula.
red sugar. Berapa waktu untuk bikin
Jadi
dingin?
bikin dingin setengah jam.
Setengah jam?
30 menit.
Ah.
Ada yang dingin ada. Yang jadi ada.
Ini dari kayu atau dari apa?
Kelapa.
Dari kelapa. Wow, so nice.
They use the leaf because the hole, so they cover the leaf.
Ma wszystko
And
naturalne.
making this sugar already like this cannot be slow.
No ale
Must be
dobra,
fast,
gdyby
otherwise it
chciał
will be hard.
Pomożesz?
Bisa bantu, bisa. Oke. Thank you. Udah dingin, bisa dimakan.
To jest ze solą, prawda?
Let me give you. Here. Mau coba.
I want to. Enak. What? Oh, I want to.
Better than candy. Babcia? To jest cukier. Cukier tylko. No,
So good.
pyszne jest.
Coklat.
To jest cukier, babcia, jak karmel. Amelia ma lagi. Sure, more. She likes that. Wow, so hot.
Taki
Look at
cukier.
that stuff.
Taki cukier.
Made
to
of
cukier.
stone, huh?
Yeah.
Bricks.
Bricks.
So yeah, my mom is asking how they make it. Is it just the coconut which is dry, or they do something else for it?
Yeah, they open press it into two. Open the coconut into two. After that, they clean it by knife, special knife, or let it like dry. Yeah,
And just dry, nothing else?
nothing, and clean it. Jangan ki konyo ni bagian bolong nama nggih. Ni biasa ni bagian jitnya kan nih dah.
Melepas tuh pak ada udara masuk.
Oh,
Balik udara masuk.
yeah, benar. So I asked because one coconut, right? There is the close one, from the back, from the bottom, and then from the top, right? And this one from the bottom. I asked why you use only from the top, not from the bottom one, so you can use also another one, right? And he said, no, when you take it out, you need air, right, to make hole over there. When you take it down, so that means vacuum inside. So with the hole, that will be vacuum easier to take it out. You get it?
So like
Yes.
I see. Widzisz?
A to jest fasolka.
Tak rośnie salak. Nie, to znajomi, sąsiedzi koło siostry babci.
I ta babcia
So
też
this
ma
is
taki-
salak. Mmm.
Sukai, nah.
Mhm.
Oh, you also, you have salad. Wow, so good.
Smaller. No spróbuj, babcia. A co się z tobą stało? To jest cukier zwykły, babciu, spróbuj.
This is the medicine of diabetes,
Wiesz, jakie pyszne?
but I don't know how.
So they're saying this is the medicine for diabetics.
Ale pyszne.
And it's so sweet. But I heard about that.
Yeah?
I heard that this sugar is good for diabetics.
Really?
Naprawdę jest.
I don't know.
But normal sugar, no. Enak sekali.
Nah,
Alam.
kalau rasa panas ini air putih.
And everyone's so kind
What do
here.
you think? If
Just
we-
came to watch
What do you
and
know?
look how much we got. Terima kasih. Saya bikin video di YouTube.
Thank you.
It's so amazing how many natural things.
Ambil ininya. Balik. Lepas kan?
Woo!
Oh, still wet.
Tam to już musi się...
Still wet.
So we're going to check the Eco Village in Tabanan. Untuk makan atau minum ya? Untuk kasih. Amelia, hati-hati ya. They have the workshop here, huh?
Yes. Yeah.
Nice. How is it to stay here?
It's good. I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No. Where are you from?
I'm
From Italy.
from Guam. Guam,
Guam?
the U.S. territory.
Ah,
Yeah. Island
Alright.
next to Philippines.
alright. Ah, nice.
So that's where I'm from.
My dream to go to the Philippines. 2 times I tried to get there, but then either something happened and
Oh.
um,
Well, you might be.
parlo italiano poco. Yeah, pero poco. Oh, flower.
Itu nuet Spanyol.
2 flowers, one on the hat and one in front of me, huh?
Crazy.
Wearing
Crazy. To świetnie zrobione. I co?
So here was the house where Granny we used to visit live. Her kitchen already broken, one taking care now, and yeah, this her grandson who worked on the cruise ship was in German.
The granny who we used to visit lived in this kind of place. She was cooking here, making food on the fire. So interesting place, huh? Ya, terima kasih. What's this?
Dua nasi, daun
Nasi atau lontong?
Hah?
Nasi atau lontong?
Ada lontong, Bu? Oh, right. It's just because she forgot. She told me to take the camera, but she forgot to record. And then that's the only thing left.
Nah. Ini bada, a ini kasawa, ubi, ja? Fermentowany ten ziemniak. Ja.
A tamto?
Tam to jest po prostu ziemniak ten słodki, taki smażony.
To wystarczy.